Hey guys, it's Jack with Kapwing. TikTok has recently released the auto sync editing feature, which allows users to upload batches of videos at the same time, and they will automatically sync to whatever sound or song that you're using on TikTok. This auto sync function can be really useful for video trends like the 27 videos trend or just montages. So I'm gonna show you how to do this today, and then afterwards I'm going to show you how you can resize all your videos to get them ready to put into TikTok so that they're not in landscape mode. And I'm also gonna show you how you can edit these videos with more customization in our free online video editor, Kapwing, because frankly, while the auto sync function is sometimes really useful, it's not always perfect and it doesn't always go exactly to the beat of the music that you want. So the first thing you're gonna do is open up TikTok, and you're going to find a video, and you're going to want to use whatever sound that the video uses. It's much easier than finding the sound afterwards when the video is already being edited. So just find a video, and you can save it by clicking the little spinning wheel button in the bottom, the little record button, and then you can just add it to your favorites by clicking add to your favorites. And then now it'll be ready for you to use whenever you wanna make a video. So then you're just going to go back out, and then you're going to click the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new TikTok. Then you are going to click the upload button in the bottom right, and then you're going to go to your videos, and then you can just highlight however many videos you want to put into this. So if you're doing 27 videos, you can do 27 videos. If you're doing 17 videos, you can do 17. If you're just doing a montage, you can do however many you want. So I'm just going to do that now. Okay, so I'm doing 17 videos. Let's say I'm doing the 17 videos challenge. I'll click the next button, and you can see it'll have them all lined up, but now it's time to add the sounds. So you can use one of these suggested sounds at the bottom just by scrolling. There's not too many options, so you're probably going to want to click the more button. And then right here, you can use whatever Discover feature you want. You can search up here using the top button. You can also use the Discover feature and go to the TikTok viral sounds. However, like I said, the easiest way to do this is to go to your favorites. So just go to your favorites, add the song. So I'll just do this one, and then when you're ready, click the check button. And then now what you're going to do is click the adjust clip button once you have your music saved. So right here, you can see that all my videos are here, and you can re-edit them however you want. You can do it manually by clicking open each video and dragging them differently. However, if you don't want to do it manually, and that's what this video is all about, you're going to go all the way to the left and click the auto sync button on the left here, and then it will automatically sync your clips to the music. And yeah, I honestly kind of like the edit that it has going on right now. I think it goes to the beat. I'm not as crazy about the longer clips. Most of them are 1 second, and I think that's ideal. However, once in a while they'll do one that's 2 seconds, one that's 1.6 seconds, and I don't really know why they're doing that because the beat is the same throughout. But if you are happy with it, you'll just click done, and then you'll be ready to post by clicking the next button. And if you're not happy with it, you can go back to the default setting just by clicking the default button right next to sound sync below your video. And then it'll change to the default settings, which will keep all of the videos in their original state. So you'll see that this video is 23 seconds, this one's 24, this one's just 2 seconds. And so it will allow you to edit them manually that way. However, this takes a lot of time to do on a phone. It's not very accurate either. You do see that in my video that there are some vertical and some horizontal videos. In TikTok, there's not a way for you to edit these to be the same. So without further ado, let me show you how to resize all your videos into vertical form. And number two, I'm gonna show you how you can edit all these with much more control using our free online video editor, Kapwing. Let's get into it. Okay, hi guys. So the first thing you're gonna do is click the first link in the description, and then that will take you to kapwing.com, which is our free online video editor. Just sign in with Google, Facebook, or your email, and it'll make it so that when you export your video, you don't have a watermark on it. Okay, so then when you're in your workspace, you will just click new content right here. And then what I'm gonna do is upload all of my footage. I'm just going to drag in all of the videos. So as you can see, all of my clips are in the timeline. Now what I'm going to do is go to settings, and then I'm going to turn ripple mode on. It basically means that if I have two videos in the same channel, that when I cut one, that the others will slide down with it. So I'm just gonna zoom out this timeline and then move all these into the same layer. Okay, so now I'm all done. They're all in the same layer, and then I'm going to click the audio button so that I can import my audio for this video. So what you can do is you can either drag and drop whatever audio you want if you have the file saved in your computer, or you can also paste in a YouTube or video link. Okay, so I just put in the Chug Jug song right here. #1 Victory Royale. And the next thing I want to do is go through clip by clip and look at which ones are horizontal and which are vertical. I can see that this one is vertical. I'll just click on it because I want to resize it. Click the crop button, and then I will just click 9:16, and then I can put it wherever I want. Keep doing this one by one. Click, crop, 9:16. Okay, and then when you see now you're skipping around and they are all in the correct aspect ratio. So now it is time where I will start clipping the clips and also the audio. So as you can see from just the waveform here, the audio doesn't come in until about here. So what I can do is just move my cursor right there and then click the split button or click the S button on your keyboard and then delete the excess. And then I only want this video to be around 30 seconds, so I'm just going to chop it right here, click the S button or click the split button right here. Great, so now I have my audio, and then I have to fit all these videos into this little portion. So I can again go through and split, but I can also trim these videos just by pulling them to the left or right. So I'm just going to do that real quick. So I'm just going to start clipping these on the beat. Okay, so now all my videos are done and I'm just going to trim the excess of the song. So now I have my video going to the beat of the music, and then I'm just going to click export video. And then once it's done processing, you will just click download and you will have your video all edited to exactly how you want it. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to join an online community of modern creators, and also check out our Discord where you can keep up with other Kapwingers and the Kapwing staff. It's a great community and we hope that you will join, and I'll see you guys in the next one.